So if I'm ending a major song, I like to play the Lydian scale. So say we have a song that's in C major, we're going to end with a 2, 5, 1 in C major. And when we get to the final 1 chord, I want to arpeggiate up the keyboard, and I'm going to use notes from C Lydian scale. So the Lydian scale is basically the major scale but with a sharp 4. And I love to use this scale for endings, and in particular I'm going to aim for the extended harmony notes like the 9th, the sharp 4th, and the 6th. So the 9th, the sharp 4, and the 6, I'm going to make sure I play at least some of these notes as I go up. That's going to create the sophisticated, colourful sound. But for that to work, I have to first set a strong foundation by playing the root. Usually I'll play the 5th, sometimes I'll play the 3rd, or the root, or even the 9th. So in my left hand, I want to start my run up with a strong root and 5th. And then whatever I play above that is going to sound colourful in context of this strong foundation. So that's the key. Hold down the root and the 5th, maybe the root again, or the 3rd, or the 9th. And once you have that in place, then you really can't go wrong. You just have to play any notes from C Lydian scale. So to give you a few simple ideas, we could play a root and a 5th, then we could go to our rootless chord voicing, position A. For a C major 7 chord, that's going to be which notes? That's right, we're going to find the major 3rd, play a minor 7 chord, so that's E minor 7, and we could just run up the notes of E minor 7, and then repeat, and repeat. And if we want to end on a really colourful note, we could end on the sharp 4. Sometimes I'll use this technique. I'll ripple an octave, especially on the last note. So ripple an octave, especially if it's a colourful note. I like to end on the most colourful note possible, which over a major 7 chord, I would argue is the sharp 4. Now to go with this lesson, I'm giving away my 29 Jazz Licks sheet music. This is 5 pages of my best licks, and to download it for free, just click on the link below.